Students, today we are going to discuss about the computers in community pharmacy, right? So, as we have discussed that the computer, what is the importance of computer, right? When it comes to the community pharmacy, there are a lot of uses because nowadays we cannot imagine this world without the computer, without the digital devices, because now especially when this pandemic came, now everything has become digitalized, right? The things, the files, the we can't even imagine. So now let us try to discuss that what is its important in community pharmacy when we are arranging the drugs, different scheduled drugs into our store, right? So what kind of things it is going to help us, right? Since we have discussed a lots of software and the type of computer, so it is going to be easy. So coming into the introduction, the computers in community pharmacy, the automation of the dispensing process in community pharmacy is nothing new, right? So that's what the automation it has started already in the dispensing process, right? What are the things we are going to dispense or give to the patient or to the further proceedings. Computer systems for pharmacy management have been on the market for many years, and almost all community pharmacies now use computers to manage the processing of prescriptions, right? So now you also might have noticed recently or in your past, whenever you have gone to the community pharmacy or any medical store, that with your prescription or how they are, means into the, if suppose if I am talking about outpatient, so how they are going to searching the medications or medicines in the system, that which medicine it is available in which rate. And sometimes and now also it has become completely digitalized, right? The system, the prescription, whatever the things it is written by the physicians, that is going directly to the what you call medical store person or the pharmacist, and it is for the inpatient, right? So the things will be ready, and the medications, the setup medication, it will reach to the particular bed number, particular floor number, particular ward number. So that's what, when we are making the things digitalized, the chances of error it reduce. That's what, right? Although both pharmacists use of computer and the capability of computer systems themselves have increased dramatically during the past few years, most pharmacies or most medical stores have either failed to utilize their computers in their fullest and have not kept up with the rapidly changing applications that are available. Because now if you are also going to be the pharmacist, if you are not fully aware about the computer, the software, the systems, the functions which it is having, you will not be able to use that. That's what in pharmacy computer application subject it is compulsory. And now you are in biostatistic, you are using lot of tools and techniques, like say for example Microsoft Excel. So Excel itself is having that much functions that which will reduce your time to find out the thing, to store the thing. We have seen into the different software like SAS and SPSS, EPinfo. So those software, how they are reducing our time, and at the same time we are getting the accurate result and data whenever we required. In the past, community pharmacy computer system have been developed to support in the transaction process approach used in dispensing, right? Nowadays phone pay, google pay, and so many card, cash, so whatever the transaction it is going on, that should having the proper recording within the wherein only information about the prescriptions being dispensed and a limited dramatographic about the patient were entered and retained in the computer system, right? So that's what it is helping us in a many way we are seeing here, right? Uses of computers in community pharmacy. So first one, providing a receipt for the patient. Yes, record of transactions of money, Definitely it will be having, since it is digital, and it will be having, even though if it is not digital also, immediately we are giving the printed bill, so that will be having in record. Nowadays it is happening in small supermarket also, right, in DMart, and everywhere we are observing that that is happening now. So ordering low quantity of products via electronic transitions. The next one, the generation of multiple analysis for a day, for a week, for a month, for number of prescription handled and amount of cases, right? What are the inpatient, outpatient? There are a lot of patients, they are visiting to the hospitals. So these things, it is they are handling by the system. Estimation of profits and financial rational analysis, printing of billing, payment details, inventory control purpose. In all this manner, it is going to help us. Whenever the drug or medicament are added to the stock or else removed from the stock, the position of stock gets updated instantaneously. The records of various drug data, for example, drug data information also can be possible with the systems. Computers are helpful for getting a complete drug information, which is used to satisfy the queries by patients about toxicology, adverse drug reactions, and the drug and drug food interaction also can be recorded by the system. Drug bank drug database gives complete and detailed description of drugs. It may be pharmacological details, it may be the pharmaceutical action, and also involves bioinformatics and the the chem information. What are the contained entity or chemical moiety it is present into the drug? What are the different sources of the particular drug has been involved into the medicament? All those thing information can be possible only with the system, because electronic device, when we are using electronic device, we can preserve the data for long time in accurate manner, because file or hard copy, or some written format may misplace, may burn, may some insect will eat, some chemical will fall down, any hazardous may happen. So that's what it is become more authenticate. Nowadays we are having lot of database on online, in our Gmail, in our Google Drive, in our Facebook, in our many other accounts where we can keep our data safely. Computerizing the prescription dispensing process, actually that is the theme of today's class, right? How the prescription dispensing, it has become digitalized, let me say, the use the term digitalization, right? That is what computerization. The prescription processing is invariably one of the main activities going on within a pharmacy on a day to day basis. It's happening with the, that is done by the pharmacist, and it is happening, and the computers are used to make this process more reliable and efficient. Because as I told you, when the digital things or the electronic device will come over there, the whatever the data you will give, without thinking they are going to save, and where they are going to have it, right, for the long time whenever required. And computers are used to make this process more reliable and efficient. Both the customer service side of the pharmacy operation and the dispensing aspects are today carried out through the use of computing system only. Pharmacy computers also handle customer service activities such as sales and cash handling within the retail operations. So every small medical store also, if you go, you will see the laptop, tab, or computer, or different types of electronic devices. So how the processes it go on, and how it is going to be computerized. This system is so designed to assist the pharmacist with various tasks. It may be the handling the prescription, handling the customers, handling the medications, keeping the medications in different rack, floor, the boxes, and all those things. These includes receiving prescriptions, dispensing of medicines, checking for accuracy and payments. This system consists of automated dispensing devices, a tray transfer line, a reception number indicator screen installed in the waiting room and all these, and also a terminal of provide patients with additional information if anything required, like take well before use, take after meal, before meal, and all those, anything, if it is where to go, where not to go, like that. The prescription data are instantly transmitted to the respective dispensing positions, and the prescriptions are dispensed simultaneously. The tray travel efficiently to the tray transfer line. The host computer performs such functions as input of information of prescriptions, accounting calculations, integrating prescription audit, and the preparation of printing data for medicine bags. That's what it will be go on, because every time patients or their relative and friends cannot go here and there. So that's what tray transfer it will go on into the hospitals in that way. The control computer which receives prescription data from the host computer, it will go on online, right? Shots and send instruction data on prescriptions to the automated dispensing medicines, right? The by reading the prescription, the machine, it is going to dispense the medicine in many cases. Outputs instructions on the preparation of medicines in the manual dispensing sector, suppose if it is manual, and the control the tray transfer line also, the turntable and the reception number indicator screen. That's what we need to see the such a hospital where this system it is really it is in the practice, like 5-star hospital, 3-star hospital, right? In those things now, forget about this COVID situation, but before I am talking about now what is going on, we are very much aware, right? So the computerized dispensing system has produced the following results. It is having the improvement into the quality of the dispensing work. Work quality it is going to be increased. The error, the number of error it is going to be reduced. The reduction of the time required for dispensing medicines. Whatever the time it used to taken before, now it has been reduced by computerization, because the information, the what are the medicine has been told by the physicians, that will reaching within a second to the medical store person by the with the all the exact detail. Improvement into the quality of service to patients, yes. Improvement in efficiency of the clerical work in non-dispensing work, and the improvement in work efficiency also, right? So these things are the then then next, the use of computer in pharmaceutical care in community pharmacy. The next thing, the pharmaceutical care is a patient centered, outcome oriented pharmacy practice that require the pharmacist to work in concrete with the patient and the patient's other healthcare providers to promote the health, to prevent the disease, and to access, monitor, and initiate and modify medication used to assure the drug therapy regimen are safe and effective or not, right? So that's what the computer it is having its major importance now. The goal of pharmaceutical care is to optimize the patient's health related quality of life, and also to achieve the positive clinical outcomes within the realistic economic expenditure. Computers play a vital role in pharmaceutical care, thereby promoting patients' health. The first point which we are going to discuss under the use of computer in pharmaceutical care, pharmacist must collect or generate subjective and objective information regarding the patient's general health and activity status, past medical history, medication history, if it is having any disease he is suffering, blood pressure, diabetes, or anything else, medication, what are the medication has been taken in past, social history, it is whether he or she is having any social, what kind of, whether it is having any mental disorder, or it has been noticed in something murder or something psychological problem, diet, whether drinking, eating, what kind of diet habit, exercise history, whether he is going for yoga, gym, or something like that, history of the present illness, whether it is having present whatever he is suffering from COVID-19 or something like that, present illness, what is the history, how long he has suffered, how many days it has been passed, the the economic situation, whether he is belong from good family in the sense financial point of view, means financially sound or not, financial and assured status. Computer make this process more easy because this information hospital want to know, so that they can take the decision and they can tell to their family members what is the next. Computers help in development of an outcomes oriented drug therapy plan based upon true understanding of the patient and his or her conditions or disease and its treatment also. Patient counseling also it is having major role. Pharmacist can print counseling handout, the prescription label and invoice. Computers helps in monitoring the patient's progress in achieving the specific outcomes according to a strategy developed in the drug therapy plan. Right. So these are the many roles in patient profile. Like pharmacist can update patient profile whenever a new prescription is filled. Also, if patients might have any symptom like allergies, it can be added to the patient profile that she is having allergy with the chapati or rice or with milk or with any food item, with the air, with the dust, with the glass, any whatever it may be. Allergy may be from anything, right? Any object. So that has to be mentioned into their profile. That is possible by the computer. Computer helps the pharmacist coordinate changes in the plan with the patient and the patient's other healthcare providers as necessary and appropriately to maintain or enhance the safety or effectiveness of drug therapy and to help minimize overall healthcare cost. That is also important because unnecessary you cannot purchase the medicine here and there and this brand that brand and all those. So that's what it has to be. The pharmacist has to assist in a proper way for the particular patient, individual patient, in a this with the help of this digital device. Then it will be easy and it will help the patient in big way. Drug interaction, right? Every time, every patient, everything you will not be able to know. Even for us also, it is very difficult, right? So many software vendors offer programs for drug interactions. Now you are using, right, MedPlus or whatever it is there. You are using the software that will tell you the entire what is the drug history. Forget about the patient history. Drug history, drug is having interaction with anything, those things, the antagonism, synergism, all this terminology in the pharmacology. So that thing has to be there in the software. The pharmacist must check the patient's profile and prescription to determine if there is any interaction or not. Patient progress is accurately documented in pharmacy record and communicated to the patient and to the patient's other healthcare providers as appropriate using the computer database record management system. That's what it is important. Until and unless you will not be having information about the patient, you cannot tell to others. Patients, the computer assists the pharmacist in sharing information with other healthcare providers as the setting for care changes, thus helping assure continuity of care as the patient moves between the community setting, the institutional setting, and the long-term care setting. Using computer, pharmacist can record the conclusions of the information evaluation in the medical or pharmacy record. Right. So this much thing we can discuss here today. Into the further we'll continue in the next class.